Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. Today, we're whipping up a classic comfort food, warm cinnamon apples. This simple treat is perfect as a side dish, a dessert topping, or even on its own. We'll start with just a few basic ingredients, which you probably already have in your pantry. Get ready to transform everyday apples into something truly special with minimal effort. The aroma alone is incredibly inviting. This recipe is a sweet, cozy dish that brings a smile to everyone's face. So let's begin. Now let's get those apples ready. Choosing the right variety can make a big difference, so pick what you love best. Once washed, carefully peel each apple, remove the core, and then slice them evenly. Consistency is key here. Uniform pieces will cook at the same rate, preventing some from becoming mushy while others are still hard. This careful preparation ensures a delightful texture in every single bite. Proper slicing sets the stage for a perfect batch of cinnamon apples. With your apples prepped, it's time to head to the stove. Start by melting that tablespoon of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, add all your apple slices. Give them a gentle stir, making sure every piece gets coated in that lovely butter. You'll cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring every now and then until they just begin to soften around the edges. This initial cook helps release their natural juices. This is where the magic really happens. Sprinkle your granulated sugar and that wonderful ground cinnamon right over the apples. Give everything another good stir, ensuring that sweet spice mixture coats every single slice. Keep cooking for just 3 to 5 more minutes. You want them tender, but still with a slight bite. Taste them to find your perfect texture, adjusting the cook time as needed. The aromas filling your kitchen right now are absolutely incredible. And just like that, your warm, fragrant cinnamon apples are ready to enjoy. Serve them up as a delightful side, a comforting dessert, or even over your morning oatmeal. They truly shine with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or alongside savory dishes. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the fridge. They're still fantastic reheated for a quick treat. Enjoy every comforting bite you've prepared with such care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.